Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to use OLA Refund Voucher. So guys, follow the simple steps as you can see here on the screen. First, open your app on OLA, and this is the first step. Step 2 guys, choose the type of ride. Select your ride here, Lux or Sedan or Mini, and access to the coupon section from the app guys. Access the coupon option from here guys. Coupon option, as you can see here. First choose the right type, and after that guys, what you have to do, look for option to apply coupon on the app. Look for option to apply coupon, and what you have to do that this step 2 guys, enter your voucher and input your refund voucher code and the designated file field. This is the step 3. Step 4 guys, apply the voucher. Click on apply to validate the voucher and ensure that accept before proceeding, and ensure accept that and confirm your booking. And after applying the voucher, confirm your ride complete to booking. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you, then don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content.